Hi friends, continuing our discussion with the changed orientation of the diode. Now let us see if the diode is connected in the other orientation like N side up and P side down. Then one thing is very clear that for the capacitor to get charged, the diode has to be on, and the diode will be on only when the current is in this direction, and hence the capacitor gets charged in this fashion instead of the earlier version which was in this fashion. Now it is connected in this fashion, and this is what our input is. So it is equivalent to having Vi and Vc in this fashion. So therefore the total is Vi plus Vc instead of Vi minus Vc. So the output voltage will be now Vi plus Vc instead of Vi minus Vc. Then what would happen is when the diode is conducting, the output voltage will be equal to V, and when the diode is not conducting, then the output voltage will be Vi plus Vc. And when diode had conducted in a negative cycle, then the diode had conducted in the negative cycle of the input, then this was charged and it has charged to its peak Vm. And therefore, what would happen now is our output will be, this is gone up to Vm, and this is Vi plus Vm is equal to Vo, and this Vi varies from minus Vm to plus Vm, and when this is minus Vm, then minus Vm plus Vm will be equal to 0, and when this is plus Vm, then Vm plus Vm, this goes to 2 Vm. In other words, the minimum value is going to be 0 and the maximum value is going to be 2 Vm, and so on. So this goes up to 2 Vm, and this is at 0. This is what happens when you consider this is equal to 0. If this is not 0, then what would happen is this gets as a minimum voltage, and because of which our clamping circuit output will be something at minimum at plus V, and maximum will be at V plus 2 Vm. Okay, so the same concept. So we are just pushing up the explanation. So what has happened? The capacitor gets charged only when the diode is working, and diode is working means the current has to flow in this direction. Therefore, the capacitor should be charged in this direction, and hence these two gets added. And when the input reaches the negative peak, this goes to plus Vm, and hence the whole thing is shifted up by Vm, and therefore this gets to 0. But if you add some other voltage V, then instead of 0 it goes to V. So if it is plus V, you will be having negative peak clamped at V. So this orientation of the diode will say that negative peak of input will be clamped at V. So if V is positive, it gets clamped to plus V. If you reverse the battery, then it will be clamped at minus V. But whatever it is, the clamping is for the negative peak. So this circuit is used to elevate the waveform, and the earlier circuit was used to uh, move the waveform downwards. So that's a important property of a clamping circuit. So more things, more exciting things to come. So till then, take care. See you. Bye.